Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will tell you or show you how to use the spot healing brush tool. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Take an image, whatever image you want to take it. I want to take it as this image, this one. Now this spot healing brush tool, it heal an area. Like if I select this area of cheeks, it's heal an area. Like small spots are there, so it's heal an area. So that was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye.